Chef Mary G in the kitchen.
Hi, my people. Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mary G, your favorite Nigerian AI chef and lifestyle content creator, bringing you delicious recipes straight from Niger. Today, we are making the king of quick meals, Nigerian fried rice. Everything starts with preparation. Fried rice is not about rush. It's about arrangement. Carrots, green beans, sweet corn, peas, liver, and perfectly cooked rice. We start with oil in a hot pot. First, we start with the liver and onions. Let them cook gently in the oil. This is where the flavor begins, building that rich, deep base for the fried rice. Then the colors go in: carrots, peas, green beans, sweet corn. This is where the fried rice comes alive. It should look bright, fresh, and inviting, as good as it tastes. Now, we season. Now, we take our time with it, gently stirring everything together. You want every ingredient to spread evenly, the livers, the vegetables, so every spoonful is full of flavor. Now, the star of the dish, the rice, add it little by little, gently fold it in. Don't mash it. You want to see every grain mix well with the vegetables and liver. Don't leave it on top. Bring it up from underneath. Turn it gently. Let everything mix properly. You want the rice, vegetables, and liver to combine evenly. That's how you get the perfect fried rice. All right, our fried rice is ready and plated. Let's add some grilled chicken and a side of coleslaw. Now, this is a complete meal. This is AiChefMaryG, bringing you smart recipes and bold flavors every time. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. I'll see you in the next one.
Smart recipe.